the presiding officer of the Office of the Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Iloilo, I now call this meeting to order. To formally begin, let us start with a prayer to be led by Honorable Quinanola, to be followed by the singing of the national anthem and the board members' creed.
Let's all bow down our head and feel the presence of our dear God. Heavenly Father, we ask for your divine guidance and wisdom that you may guide this Sangguniang Panlalawigan meeting. Amen.
Ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo, pagkalahad nga may integridad, kapag panumpa sa pamuluyo sang Iloilo.
You may now take your seats. Mr. Secretary, shall we proceed with the roll call?
Very well, Madam Chair. As I call your name, please raise your right hand and say present to be acknowledged. Honorable Vice Governor Bernal.
Present.
Honorable Aguilar.
Present.
Honorable Alag.
Present.
Honorable Caspe.
Present.
Honorable Castillare.
Present.
Honorable Catador.
Present.
Honorable De Maosa.
Present.
Honorable Quinanola.
Present.
Honorable Salilias.
Present.
Honorable Sumagaysay.
Present.
Madam Chair, I now report to you that everyone is present for today's meeting. That is all. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Since everyone is present in today's meeting, I declare the presence of a quorum. Now let us proceed with the reading of the minutes of the previous meeting. Yes, Honorable Caspe.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, I move to dispense the reading of the minutes of the previous meeting, since I do believe that everybody in this meeting has a copy of it. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Second the motion.
There is a motion coming from Honorable Caspe and has been duly seconded by Honorable Quinanola, Sumagaysay, De Maosa, and Catador to dispense the reading of the minutes of the previous meeting. Are there any objections? None. Therefore, the reading of the minutes of the previous meeting is hereby dispensed. Now let us proceed with the approval and adoption of the minutes of the previous meeting. Yes, Honorable Catador.
Madam Chair, I move to approve and adopt the minutes of the previous meeting. Thank
I
you.
second the motion.
There is a motion coming from Honorable Catador and has been duly seconded by Honorable Quinanola to approve and adopt the minutes of the previous meeting. Are there any objections? None. Therefore, the minutes of the previous meeting is approved and adopted. Now let us proceed to the privilege hour. Those who wish to avail the privilege hour is open. Yes, Honorable Alag, you may now take the floor.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Good afternoon to my colleagues. There is an ongoing adversity in our environment that require urgent measure. Hence, I rise to propose an ordinance which aims to strengthen the task force through barangay level watchers to protect our forest lands from illegal loggers. That would be all, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Alag. Are there any more privileged speeches? None. Therefore, the Chair declares the privilege hour closed. Now let us proceed to the question hour. The Chair declares the question hour open. Do you have any questions? None. The Chair declares the question hour closed. Now let us proceed to the committee report. Yes, Honorable Aguilar.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, I move to postpone the presentation of the committee reports until the next meeting due to insufficient data. Thank you, Madam Chair.
There is a motion coming from Honorable Aguilar and has been duly seconded by Honorable Castillare and Caspe to postpone the presentation of committee report until the next meeting. Do you hear any objections? None. Therefore, the committee report is postponed until the next meeting. Next, let us proceed with the calendar of business. Mr. Secretary, do we have any unfinished business?
None at the moment, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. So now let us proceed with the first item on our agenda. Honorable Sumagaysay, as the majority floor leader, you may now take the floor.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I move for the approval of the proposed ordinance number 2026-023, an ordinance strengthening of task force through barangay level watchers around the area, sponsored by the Honorable Alag. So I move, Madam Chair.
I second
There is
the
a motion
motion.
coming from Honorable Sumagaysay, has been duly seconded by Honorable Salillas, Quinanola, Aguilar, and Catador for the approval of ordinance number 2026-023 or the ordinance strengthening of task force through barangay level watchers around the area. Are there any objections? Yes, Honorable De Maosa. Yes, Honorable Castillare. I'm sorry.
Madam Chair, I would like to raise a point of information to Honorable Alag, who will be the watchers of the said ordinance for this ordinance.
Yes, Honorable Alag, you may answer.
Thank you, Madam Chair. To address Mr. Castillare, the watchers are those barangay tanods in the resident. Thank you.
Thank you. I hope your question is answered, Honorable Castillare. Let us go back. Do you hear any objections?
Madam Chair?
Yes, Honorable De Maosa.
Madam Chair, I respectfully oppose this ordinance since this simply consumes too much of our resources. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Honorable De Maosa. Are there some discussions or comments? Yes, wait a minute. I haven't recognized you. Yes, Honorable Aguilar, you may now.
Sorry, Madam Chair. To reply to you, Honorable Demosa, this is the best initiative that we could do right now. So, Madam Chair, please pass this motion.
Okay, so are there some more comments? None? Are you ready for the question?
Yes, Madam Chair.
Those who are in favor for the ordinance to strengthen the task force through barangay level watchers around the area, please raise your hand. Those who oppose, please raise your hand.
Madam Chair, I report to you that 7 people voted in favor of the motion and 2 people voted against. That is all. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Since the affirmative have it, therefore, the ordinance number 2026-023 is hereby approved. Now let us proceed with the next item on our agenda. Honorable Sumagaysay, as the Majority Floor Leader, you may now take the floor.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I move for the approval of the proposed ordinance number 2026-024, an ordinance for imposition of penalties and monetary fines to illegal loggers, sponsored by the Honorable Alag. So I move, Madam Chair.
There is a motion coming from Honorable Sumagaysay and has been duly seconded by Honorable Salillas and Catador for the approval of ordinance number 2026-024, or the ordinance for imposition of penalties and monetary fines to illegal loggers. Are there any objections? Hearing none, therefore, the ordinance number 2026-024 is hereby approved. Now let us proceed with the next item on our agenda. Honorable Sumagaysay, you may now take the floor again.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I move for the approval of the proposed ordinance number 2025-025, an ordinance for confiscation of illegal logging equipment sponsored by the Honorable Alag. So I move, Madam Chair.
Point of order, Mr. Sumagaysay. I think it must be 2026.
I stand corrected. Again, Madam Chair, I move for the approval of the proposed ordinance number 2026-025, an ordinance for confiscation of illegal logging equipment sponsored by the Honorable Alag. So I move, Madam Chair.
There is a motion coming from Honorable Sumagaysay and has been duly seconded by Honorable Salillas for the approval of ordinance number 2026-025, or the ordinance for confiscation of illegal logging equipment. Are there any objections? Yes, Honorable Quinanola.
Madam Chair, I move to lay this matter on the table because we are still waiting for the concerned ad hoc committee report, Madam Chair.
I second the motion.
There is a motion coming from Honorable Quinanola and has been duly seconded by Honorable Salillas, Aguilar, and Caspe to lay this matter on the table, or to lay the ordinance number 2026-025. Are there any objections? None. Therefore, the ordinance number 2026-025 is laid on the table. Now, do we have some more items remaining? Thank you, Mr. Sumagaysay. Mr. Secretary, do you have any unassigned business?
None, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. So all motions carried and ordinances approved will be backed up by a resolution to be crafted by our Secretary. Do you have any announcements? Yes, Honorable Casillare.
Madam Chair, I would like to congratulate our very own Honorable Alag for being one of the most awarded board members in the province of Iloilo.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Honorable Alag. Do we have some more announcements? None. Therefore, as a chairperson, I declare this meeting adjourned.
Madam Chair,
Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
what else can I say? I know that the dealing is quite fast because of the time constraints, but it's perfect. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
To the one who raised the motion to lay on the table, what are other reasons for you to raise a motion to lay on the table?
Other reasons, sir?
Yes, aside from you mentioned the lack of committee report.
If we still need to discuss, need further more information or something to discuss, or we need more idea about this certain topic, then we can lay on the table because we cannot discuss it if we have no idea about it.
Mic check. All right, so congratulations. Yeah, but this question is like a general question because I noticed that our Madam Chair earlier really point out that you're not still recognized. So I would like to ask just for enlightenment. Why is it really important for a member to be recognized before speaking? What's the importance of that?
Para waiti conflict. Since, kumbaga, we can speak only one at a time. Para hindi siya, hindi super messy ang meeting.
May I also add on,
Okay.
Mr. Adjudicator? It also to give respect sa nag-ask for that part. And basically do respect na siya nga pwede ka kahambal kay kung wala ka na-address, that means like gahambal ka lang, do disrespectful na sa con, and mag-messy na siya if ever. Ang just like hambal ni Madam Chair, mag-messy ra ang meeting if ever magsurog po.
may I add on also to
Okay.
the answer of both of my Madam Chair and my fellow board member. So I believe that you must be recognized first, especially when it is in Parliament, for us to be able to adhere to the principles of democracy. Because each of us are also entitled to speak. And for you to be recognized, I believe that the Madam Chair should always point you out first before you can state your point. That's all. That's all.
Sige, thank you so much. Sige. However, if there will be conflict or chaos in the meeting, for example, ano ang obrahon ni Madam Chair to address that?
As the chairperson, syempre, I will step up. And of course, for an orderly meeting, the chair is the center always. So they must obey for the decision of the chair before starting a conversation or before speaking.
Okay. For the members, what do you think the best motion to be raised in order to address kung may mga conflict or what?
Calling for the orders of the day, sir.
Yes, sir. Pwede na, sir, ang isa, call for the order of the day. So, makabalik ito sa proper order. And if gusto dagit mag-discuss, sir, pwede man ang recess, call for a recess, para mag-cool off na yung mga members and ma-talk out nanda, sir.
Okay, sige. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, judges, and thank you, parliamentary team number 11.
Winning team is team. Yes, it's team 11. Cabatuan National Comprehensive High School. Are they the defending champion? Okay, our defending champion. So they are still our champion. No? The winning team, Team 11, Cabatuan National Comprehensive High School. Congratulations.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This year's champion is from Cabatuan National Comprehensive High School. Indeed, really. Congratulations again to the team of Cabatuan National Comprehensive High School. They have defended their championship. Wow. And again, for those who didn't make it this year, again, still congratulations. Can we clap our hands to each and every one and show some love to our participating teams? There is still next year, the years to come. Again, congratulations to the team Cabatuan in character, integrity, unity, and the pursuit of excellence.